you're an electrical contractor working in manufacturing plants, warehouses, transit facilities, or wastewater sites, you need equipment that installs fast, performs reliably, and passes inspection the first time. KH Industries builds industrial retractable cord reels, portable LED lighting, and power distribution products made specifically for demanding job sites and the contractors who power them. Engineered for efficiency, built for harsh conditions and spec-ready and code-compliant, our products hold up in demanding environments. That means faster installs, fewer change orders and less troubleshooting. And when you need support, you talk to real US-based technical experts, not a call center. With in-stock products shipping fast from New York, custom configurations available and contractor-focused lead times, we help keep your projects on schedule. We support contractors by offering pre-bid support, submittals and documentation, and on-the-job technical assistance. We're more than a manufacturer, we're your job site partner. KH Industries, industrial-grade power and lighting, built to get it done right the first time.